Hello guys! It's November and it's the 11th month for our challenge. And for this month, i-review natin ng konti yung experience natin with the DJI RS4. So I've been using it for the past week. Hindi ko siya ma-review ng very in-depth since hindi naman ako talaga tech reviewer or gear reviewer. But I just want to share my experience with using it. Definitely, it's been really helpful. Kaya rin ako nag-upgrade talaga, kailangan na, because with all the clients that I have to cater in this upcoming days and months, and we also have some complex na mga shots para sa mga major projects natin. So meron tayong major client, so watch out for that for December. It's a really big project. Siyempre, mga common features niya, yun eh. Gimbal siya. It's a gimbal. Stabilizes your shot. Siguro isa dun sa mga game-breaking features niya was the second generation native portrait shooting. Just really good for content creators, for vloggers, or for someone na mainly reels, shorts, or TikTok yung sinushoot. So, sobrang helpful niya. I've been trying it out. Try kami mag-shoot with Paul kahapon. Sobrang saglit kasi palubog na yung araw. And actually, you can see on the shot na talagang lumubog na yung araw. And ang dilim na. So, hindi na namin mapaglaruan masyado. And it's really helpful. Sobrang dali. Dati, ang diskarte just to be able to shoot portrait was to put your gimbal into 360 or to vortex mode. Tapos, siyempre, tatabihin pa yun. But having that, sobrang dali. Quality of life upgrade talaga. Is it worth it to upgrade or is it worth it to buy? Depende sa use case mo. I cannot say for what you shoot. So, ako, personally, kailangan ko siya kasi dance and reels, content creation, and music videos, event highlights. Definitely, magagamit siya sa mga ganong use case. But, say you're into filmmaking, probably depende. Interviews, maybe. Yan. Talagang i-check mo rin kung ano yung paggagamitan mo muna. I got it on sale. It's not the combo or the pro version, but it works. And that's what's important. And I've been having fun using it recently. Sobrang lightweight. Sobrang gaan niya. And hindi ganun ka-bulky. Nagkasya siya sa bag ko actually. So, that's good. So, yun lang. Very short for this month. Sobrang busy recently. Daming shoots, daming edits, trying to adapt with all the changes that's upcoming. But, ayan, sabi ko nga, meron tayong upcoming project this December and it's really big and we will vlog about that. That would be a year-ender challenge because it's crazy and you should watch out for that. And we'll release that on December. Probably latter half of December when I'm done with the editing. Siyempre, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, ano pa, kahit ano. So, watch out for more.